Okay, we just got finished washing her hair with the amazingly natural moisturizing shampoo. And now we are going to add the hair mask. Say hi, Kayla.
Hi.
Come on.
My hair's
Wipe your hair.
crazy.
See that?
My hair's crazy.
Nice and clean. Now we are going to apply the amazingly natural Chebe hair mask. And watch what it does to the texture of her hair. Let's get our wide tooth comb out of here. Okay. Take a little handful. And we just start rubbing it in. Keep your chest covered, please. Thank you. It's getting soft right now as we speak.
Then after that, I go comb it with the no hurt one.
A little bit more. These little back parts.
Michael can't say ouch.
Sure.
You know I don't like combs.
Yeah, we know. Now we just going to comb. Look at that. Look at that. We're just going to comb the Chebe through.
It don't hurt. But that's a special coat. That's why.
No, that's the Chebe powder, baby. Moisturized hair mask.
That's why they keep it don't hurt.
Yes. Keep still. Okay. You see that?
Yeah.
We'll be back with the rest. Okay, so we finished applying this Chebe hair mask. And as you can see, my suggestion would be, as soon as you get out the shower, wash it, just towel blot it dry. Leave a little moisture in there. And she's tender-headed. And see how it brings in the natural curl pattern? Hold your head down, baby. Look at that natural wave pattern. See that? Okay. Hold your head up strong. Look at that. You see that? Just combs right through. See that? See how natural curl pattern in there?
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave this on her hair for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. And then we're going to wash it out. And then we're going to apply the amazingly natural conditioner. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, we just got finished rinsing out the Chebe mask.
Oh my God, this is so crazy.
Her hair is so soft. And let me tell y'all, she's tender-headed, okay? See how I can comb right through? Okay? Oh, and it smells so good.
It smells good?
Yes. Smells so good. So, we don't even have to do the next step because it's already conditioned and soft. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of this amazingly natural Chebe hair oil.
It does smell good, I know.
I know. I'm going to take a handful of this.
Hey, you got hair. You have hair on your hair.
It's oil. I know. Okay, we're going to rub it all through. All right. Let's put a little more in the back. This stuff is, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like some lemon cookies or something. Don't it smell good?
Yeah, it smells like cookies. They're chocolate cookies.
Look at that. turn to the side so they can see your hair. Turn your head. Stop looking in the mirror. Just turn your head around. Look at that. Bring your head down. Look at that. See that? Turn around. See that? Look at that. If I wanted to, I could wrap a bally around here and go. So
I think that should go to Ronnie's house.
Shh. You're talking in the video. Shh. Okay. Look at that. Anybody that knows my granddaughter knows she's very, very tender-headed. Look at that. Comb right through. So I'm going to style this hair, and we're going to get right back to you guys. Amazingly natural. It's all that. It's amazing.